What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Could it be boring for the next 30 days? I'm gonna say yes. All right, and we're gonna take a look at the charts to give you an idea of more or less where we could possibly be in these next 30 days, which might be your best time to accumulate, because as you know, we do have a bull run that's coming, a parabolic part of the bull run, the final part of this cycle. And that's going to be amazing. So let's talk about these next 30 days to see how well positioned we could be, what BTC can be doing. Talk about the Ethereum ETFs and when they could go live. Okay, and I'll share some economic news that's going to come out on Friday. PCE numbers come out on Friday, so I'll talk about the impact there, and we'll finish up with Chuck. We'll talk about Chuck because Chuck is in a good buy zone. We'll take a look at that chart and I'll talk to you guys about the community, because the community honestly is pretty awesome. And so without further ado, let's do this. Bitcoin, here we are. All right, having a green day, taking back all the losses that we had yesterday. We still have a little ways to go before we get up to 69,179 area that I think we need to keep as support if we are to continue going higher. Of course, Bitcoin could just do a big, huge green candle, boom, like that. But I don't know. I don't think so. Bitcoin likes to surprise us, but I don't think so. So this is what I think is going to happen. Right, I think if we don't break here in the next couple of weeks, right, into June, right, the first week or so in June, if we can't break it, then I think we're gonna come down. Okay, we're gonna come down. I don't know how low. I don't picture too low, but I mean it's possible. It could be, towards June we just do kind of this, and then come July we start really getting some. If we go this low, it's because we think that we need to go this low. Bitcoin thinks that it needs to go this low to get enough strength to come and break through this. So if we go low again, like somewhere around this 63, 64, and I don't think that we're gonna do that, but if we do, then at some point after that, after it tests this, and I think it would test it and keep it as support, Bitcoin is gonna go strong up, boom, strong up. But I don't think that will go this low because there's just frankly too much interest in Bitcoin right now. People that are waiting to get in. Okay, so if it drops too low into the mid 60s, people are gonna buy. So there's basically a floor around here. Okay, I think there's a lot of buying around here. So I think where Bitcoin could be in the next 30 days is around this line, 69,179, right, in the next 30 days into June, and then maybe in July we finally establish this area. This area is where we really need to establish the set between the 69,179 and the previous all-time high and new all-time high, which is around 73,300. It's actually 73,800, but this is the line that I put here, 73,300. So once we establish that, hopefully in July, we're going to start moving up, guys. Okay, so right now these next 30 days might be really your best time to finish up accumulating and then sit on your hands after that. Dow Jones, let's take a look at that, because look at that drop. What's up with that? It's okay. It's done that before. And what happened? It did this. So we'll see what's going on, what happens there. Keep an eye on that though. NASDAQ, a couple of days of red. S&P 500, a couple of days of red. Of interest, okay. PCE numbers, inflation numbers come out tomorrow, and we're gonna see how that's gonna be. If they come in harder than expected, well, I don't know. Well, we'll take a look at that tomorrow. Okay, PCE numbers, inflation numbers, and the Fed will be watching that. If they come up high, that wouldn't be good for the markets. If they stay where more or less where expectations are, I think the market will probably continue doing what it's doing. Just it won't. I don't think it'll be too volatile if it comes in at expectations. If it comes in below expectations, then I think the market would rally. That's pretty obvious, isn't it? 2-year bond yields, we like that. 2 red days, nice. Let's hopefully we lose this 4.56%. Let's take a look at a couple other BTC charts really quick. Alternate chart, right? This is a flag. This is still bullish. All of this is bullish. Everything honestly on Bitcoin is extremely bullish, guys. So maybe we just test down here. If we test down here, top of this one more time, 66,343 if we get there. I don't know if we do. But we are out of this channel out here, just trying to figure out when we will pop off. But it could be that we just hang out sideways for a little while before we do that. Like I said, 30 days or so, end of June. and then in July we start kind of moving up, grinding up, or maybe we have a good July, August, and then really we kill it at the end of the year, I think. Let's see this one right here, out of the triangle as well. Boom, up here, bumped our heads on the 69,179 again, and we're just kind of fighting with it. Okay, kind of just fighting with it. I think this week and next week, I think we could continue fighting with it before it, you know, I'm assuming this week and next week, if we continue fighting with it and we don't break it, then again, I think that we'd be going down. All right, that's how I see that. Okay, so let's take a look at BTC dominance really quick. Okay, big gap right here. That's probably going to be filled. So maybe we get a rejection, come back down, and just kind of play like this here for a little while. Eventually come up. I don't think it's done going up. Okay, I think maybe it could come up again right around here. All right, let's see. See, I still don't think we get to up there. Maybe we break up around here and come back down. At some point, remember, once we want to see this go up higher, and once it comes up higher, then it's going to peak out, and that's when we're going to see some alt teasing when it starts coming down. Total 3 still looks bullish to me, guys. All right, everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good. Want some free alpha? Here's some free alpha. Triaz at $7.99. This thing is going to kill it. This thing is going to crush it. The tech is just too good. Look at this guy, London Crypto. He's got, I don't know who he is. He's got 98,000 followers, way more than me. And he talks about his exploring Triaz, and he's really impressed by the technology. In his words, nothing short of revolutionary. So that's pretty good, the technology. And I know that's only like part of it, because there has to be a lot of hype. There has to be a lot of people behind it, and I get that. And Triaz is kind of difficult to understand, but listen, nothing short of world domination, to be honest with you. That's basically what they're going after. So I mean, $7.99, man. Oh my god, great price. I also think, honestly, Sin is also at a great price. We're on the verge of losing this massive bull flag, right? This massive bull flag, but that's cool. Even if we do drop a little bit, I don't think we drop too much below it, to be honest with you. I don't even know if we lose it. If we do, this would be the area of support, 0053, and that would probably negate this bull flag, but it wouldn't negate the shoulder of the inverse head and shoulders. Okay, Veracity is one that I'm kind of coming around a little bit more to just kind of holding, because it could be that they get listed on Binance. It could be that they get listed on Binance because of that program that Binance wants to do. And Veracity's been around for a long time. Everyone, even the haters, agree that the tech that they have is very good. That Bear Reviews, they're a legit company. They just changed CEO and COO or something like that. A couple of executives. One of them was a CEO, and you know, up here, I could definitely see it. Might even go higher. Jeez, who knows? I might just hold on. I'm liking the things I'm seeing out of Veracity, and I do like the fact that the community was so toxic that so many people left, and they almost convinced me. I sold a little bit, 25%, and I still have 75% of my bag. They almost convinced me to sell more, but I don't think so. I'm coming around. I'm going to hold on to my bag. I think this is a great buy. I mean, Jesus, look how close you are to my average buy price, 0.0044. I thought I did good. It's at 0.0053. So there it is for there. Now, there it is for that. Now let's take a look at some meme plays. Chuck to $1. Yes, I think so. Look, this whole I've been looking at a lot of charts for memes. This is what they do. They pump. After a little while, they pump, right? And then they go dead for a little while. Boom, 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 boom. And the good ones, the real ones, pump up again, and they go really high, parabolic high, after quite a bit of just sideways movement. Now, this chart here is not much. It's a new chart, so you got to take everything with a grain of salt. Really, I only have one line right here. This line right here, 0.0049. 0.0049. I think that is the floor. Right around it, right around it, I think is where Chuck could probably hang out for a little while this next 30 days, 45 days. I know other meme coins have pumped, all right, the bigger ones, and eventually these will too. Remember, it's on Coinbase, so you're also doing by extension, not on Coinbase, it's on Base. By extension, you're doing a base play, a base network play, okay? 5.3 million market cap, 115,000 volume, but volume has finally come back. That's good. I saw it as low as like 80 last time I looked at it, so it's good. It's at least at 6 figures. Liquidity is still locked nice and high, almost at $1 million. My average buy price is 0.008 right now. It's at 0.0055. Chuck to $1, guys. No joke. Let's take a look at some other memes really quickly. Rocky, I just put this one in staking. Okay, I am below my buy price, but I mean it's close. 0.005, 0.009. Now I'm gonna get some free staking rewards. That's pretty cool. Boomer, they are attending some, I forget what they're attending. They're attending some type of crypto thing. Just a little bit more sideways. This one didn't pump as hard, right? But I mean, I think it could. I think it could. I think it will. I'm bullish on Boomer. 20 million market cap. Again, what's it called? A base play. Ponky coming down a little bit, right? It was below my average buy price for a little bit. This one's already at 236 million market cap. Okay, so it's more of a quote unquote safer play. But I mean, this thing can go into the billions. I think the ones that I'm holding hopefully will be going into at least $1 billion. Let's see. Toshi is also one that people are very bullish on. It's already 149 million market cap. Another base play. Damn, look at that pump. I should have bought right here. I have one more buy to make, but I'm gonna wait. I was hoping it would get rejected here and come back down, and I'd have another bite at this at the 0.0030 3 zeros and a 2 to make my final buy. But no biggie. I'm gonna be patient. I think we still have a little bit of time. And Benji's another one that I bought just below my average buy price. I already bought all those. Rekka, I was in, right? This was my buy price. I sold up here in the 40s, in the 40 something, 44, I think. And now it's below again. Boom. See how they do? This is what Chuck has taught me. I did know this because I have noticed it before regarding memes, but it's been so long that since I paid attention to memes, I had to kind of dust the cobwebs off and get my analysis game on. Still learning it, but I'm a quick learner because I love this stuff, man. To me, it's like I just absorb it. And well, this is what they do, these memes, and then they come back down. And to catch them when they come back down, if you still believe in them, that's when you can accumulate well. And I wouldn't put too much money in any of them, really, but you never know. That's what you accumulate well, all right, with the short money, and then just wait for the bull run for these things to go crazy. KeyCat I've been hearing a little bit more about, but I'm not convinced on it. Look at this long consolidation. It could consolidate for a while longer. It could probably just blow up. At some point, it's going to blow up. So this is why it's good to kind of get an idea and then start nibbling, make a few buys, and take it from there. All right, so there's a bunch. I'm still looking. I'm always looking. I know there are people talking about Turbo. It didn't interest me. It's already at like 500,000. The airplane has crashed. I don't know what this guy's talking about. Let's see. What else, guys? What else can I show you? Let's take a look at my Miracle. Trex 20. Okay, now it's having a little bit of green, but a little bit of red, but that's cool, man. I like this. That's huge. That's huge. Back from the dead. I'm still down. Right, it has to do 100% from these levels for me to get to break even, but hey, there is a chance, guys. This is why I love crypto, man, because you're never completely out of it unless you just pick a really crappy project. All right, don't try to pick crappy projects. And I think I have a good eye for that stuff, picking good projects. What else? I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. I can't drag this out any further. I shared with you all that I could share. Interesting. Let's see what happens as we head into the weekend. We still have tomorrow, but hopefully we can break it. I'd love to see it a little bit earlier, just kind of hang out here, but to me, honestly, it doesn't matter, because if it stays within this triangle, that means it's still time to accumulate. Although I don't have too much capital left. I have like very short capital left to put in. I'd have to take money out from other projects, and right now I don't want to move anything. Cool. That's it, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Let's see what happens actually tomorrow, what those PCE numbers look like, if the market is really going to be boring just waiting for that to happen tomorrow. So we'll see. I'll definitely let you guys know what's going on. I'll give you my thoughts and all that stuff. Now, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment, please do all that. All that stuff helps trying to grow this channel. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.